Hey, 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 what's up? What's going on? Daria Jackson Ligonier here. For those of you that do not know me, I am an affiliate marketer, network marketer, and I've been in this space for about 10 years. And I am so blessed because as of June 2019, I became a full-time online marketer. So from being a full-time teacher, I am now a full-time leader in the online space. And in this video, I'm going to share with you how I made $600 within 24 hours using a new system. The name of the system is called Affinity Processing System. It's an amazing online training platform. And what I love about this platform is that you get paid 100% commissions and the commissions is sent to whatever account you want of your choice. So you don't have to wait for the program or the creator of the system to pay you. Usually it's weekly or monthly, depending on how they have it set up, but you get your money right away. As soon as the transaction is made, the money is in the account of your choice. So I love, 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 love that feature. So you can have more than one payments per day, per week. It's totally up to you. So the system is amazing. It's working. And I'm going to show you proof in a second. I'm also going to give you a sneak preview of what the back office looks like. The back office has a plethora of training, which is step by step, giving you exactly what you need to win on the platform of your choice. Also, I notice in the industry, a lot of people, they want to do ads and they really don't know what to say. You have to have ad copy experience so that whatever it is that you are writing resonates with the person looking. And we all buy by emotion. So you need to know those emotional trigger words, those buying words that people will move with. And you will get all of that in the back office. So it's really about you being able to cut and paste, copy, literally, and then you can share it all over social media. Now, you must look at the training because the training tells you exactly how to do it. All right, there's a wrong way and there's a right way. So when you go back there, you will learn the right way to promote an opportunity, and then you will also learn what words that you need to use, what type of images you need to use, because all of that will be provided for you. All right, so without further ado, I am going to share my screen so that I can let you in on the group that we are in. We have a private members group. Oh no, that's not the group. Sorry, my bad. We have a private members group, and this is the group just to show you how well we are doing with this system. So let me scroll in. So we have 471 members. I remember when I joined, it was only 161. So now we have 471 members, and I just want you to look at Amanda Ray. All right, she just crossed the 7,000 mark in 3 days, just promoting this system. Amazing, right? Then we have people that are coming in. We also, with this program, we get websites. You get your own personal website. I'll show you what mine looks like. It's amazing. It's great for your branding. All right, so let me continue on. All right, here's a new member that just got started at the pro level. All right, let's look at Linda. Linda made 1K in 24 hours. So this is what I'm saying. This system works. Okay, I did 600. She did 1K. Awesome. So happy for her. There's so many people that are in this program that haven't won online yet, but because they're following the training step by step, using the ads that are already back there, they are having success. All right, and here's some more people that just joined. Here's another person. She got her website, so she's so excited. And I'm gonna show you what the website looks like. She had a $600 day. Rhonda on yesterday. So happy for her. We have James. He had a $300 day. All right, and here are people welcoming their friends into the group. Even if you just want to come in the group and just look around, you're welcome to do so. Just make sure that you leave a comment below this video and let me know, and I'll be more than happy to invite you. So there's people that are here just checking us out. There's people here that are actually a part of the program, like Daryl Hanna, his $300 payment. This person got 143. And then here are some more new members. Here's Amanda. She woke up to 2 payments. Amazing. It's amazing. It's amazing to wake up to money. And here's the owner right here. All right, so she has a $2,700 weekend. So she's doing exactly what we're doing. She's the owner. She created this program, but she is doing the exact things that she's teaching us in the back office with her link. Okay, because this is a 100% commission program. You have to do what she's teaching in the back office. And I love the beauty that the owner is in the trenches right along with us. All right, so this is the system. All right, so this is our group. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what the members area looks like. All right, so here's your members area. So you have your intro showing you exactly what you need to do to get started, step by step, what you need to do to create your payments, what you need to do to get your website, right? And if you look, I'm at the pro level. So at the pro level, you get 200 pre-written ads plus 60 bonus image ads. So I have plenty here to work with, right? So you have a lot to work with. You get your sales funnel if you want to do that. It's optional. Sometimes when you're sharing information and people want to know what is it, what are you doing, she'll tell you exactly what to say. If you need to upgrade to the next level, which I'll show you within 30 days, you can do that. You have the 7-day action plan, Facebook marketing, how to purchase paid traffic, Craigslist marketing. This is amazing. This is a gem right here. Instagram marketing, YouTube automation, TikTok. Wow, right? Awesome. So you learn how to automate your system, your business with this system. All right. And then you have also a restaurant, a hotel and restaurant discount voucher just for being a member. Okay. So let me show you what the website looks like. Let me just grab my link real quick. I thought I had it here, but let me just grab it. This is my link, just so you can see what the site looks like. All right, so this is the site. This is a replicated site, so we all get it. All right. What I like is that, my picture's here, a little bit about what I do, how to connect. So your website is going to look like this. It tells you exactly how it works, step by step, right? Goes through how it works. And now here are the packages. So you have the startup. So you have 3 packages. You have the $50, the $150, and the $300 package. So you get in where you fit in. So this is what you get for each one. So for the starter level, so you get your $50 commission, right? When you share it, you get 30 net marketing ads plus 20 bonus ads. So each package you get ads. So depending on which package you get determines how many ads you get. So you get the winning mindset formula, the 7-day success plan, the 6-figure closing script, because it doesn't make sense to get a whole bunch of leads and then you don't know how to close them. So she teaches you that. You learn the Facebook marketing strategies. You get 30 Facebook groups that you can promote in. So she tells you what that is. You make sure you sign up. get invited in a group, and you can start promoting. Craigslist strategy, and then you get the support group. So that is $50. And the best thing about this is that there's no monthly fee. So once you pay the fee, that is it. You're done. You're in there, you have all of this training. All right, so now at the elite level, you get everything that I just said, but you also get YouTube. You also get the Instagram strategy, and then how to set up your six-figure sales funnel, right? So that's at the elite, and that is $150, right? And then these are the ways that you can pay. So you can pay through Cash App, Visa, Master, PayPal. I'm getting ready to add another way that you can pay as well. And that's the beauty of it. You choose in this system how you want to get paid. All right. So this is the $300 level. So, oh, I forgot to tell you that there is a $25 $25 one-time administration fee to set up your website. That's it. Okay. Forgot all about that. Okay. So now, at the elite level, you get everything that I just said, plus you get the Instagram marketing strategy, how to create your six-figure sales funnel. You get 30 email follow-ups, so you're able to set up a nice funnel, and you get the follow-ups series so that you can get sales on autopilot. The TikTok marketing strategy. You also get access to our VIP training live chat. Really good, really good. I was on one earlier today. All kinds of trainings. You also get access to a VIP vacation voucher getaway. So she shows you how to set that up, and you get discounts on hotels and restaurants. So you get a lot for the pro level. And remember, this is only one time. There's no monthly. So you pay your $300, then you pay your $25 so that you can get your website, and you'll get your website within 24 hours. And it seems like that they're pumping out the websites even quicker than that. So when you get your website, you can get started right away so that you can start promoting and getting these instant commissions. Yes, instant commissions. So this is the actual website. There's a video. So it's everything here that you possibly would need to get started. And then you have your commission, what you get per sale, because like I said, you could do this daily, hourly, just depending on your work ethic and yeah, and your promotion. So it does go over, the kind of money that you can make. So to get started, all you need to do is just below this video. Well, if you're looking at this on YouTube, the link will be in the description below this video. If you're looking at this on Facebook right now, then comment, link please, info, and I'll be more than happy to send you over the information so that you can get started. All right, so that's all that I have for you today. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.